Welcome back to my channel. So in today's episode we are going to learn how to make liquid soap. With 4 ingredients you've made your liquid soap, right? With 4 ingredients you've made your liquid soap with high quality, that foams very well, right? So first of all, we are going to use our SLS, right? So that is the first ingredients we want to dissolve in water, right? This is 1 liter of water, so I'm adding 1 liter of water to dissolve my SLS. So after that, I'm going to set it aside. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, please like this video. It's a way of encouraging me to do more videos, and also most importantly, subscribe to this channel in order for you to get notification whenever I drop new videos, right? You can't be in my channel, you will not learn something, right? Either for business or family use. So after that, this is my Tezapon gel. Don't mind the color. It came in contact with another color, I think yellow color. Yes. So go ahead and add this sulfonic acid. Is a stain remover, is oil stain remover, right? So this sulfonic acid will remove any tough stain in your clothes, as long as it's in this production, be it clothes, be it what is it called, plates, anyone at all, is going to remove it. So at this particular time, I'm going to add water little by little, but you can decide. This is also 1 liter. I measured out. This is also 1 liter. I measured out this. The full of this cup is another 1 liter, right? So I measured it out and I pour it little by little. Then, if you don't want to go through this process, all you have to do is to get salt and add inside there. So the measurement and everything will be on the screen of this production, right? So get a little bit salt and add there, so that it will be very easy for the Tezapon and the sulfonic acid to mix together, right? So if you want to learn how to make laundry, especially laundry bar soap, as a professional, we have classes for that. For bathing soap, we have classes for that. If you want to learn them as a professional, we also have cutter for selling, right? Laundry soap cutter, we sell laundry soap cutter, mini cutter, table cutter, any soaping equipment. Just chat me on the WhatsApp number on the screen so that we can start it off from there, right? If you want to start laundry soap as a professional, if you want to start it as a business, we have a coaching class for that. So if you are turning it at this particular time, it will take a whole lot of time. So what you are going to do is to add salt. It will hasten for everything to rhyme together, right? So go ahead and measure out your salt, any salt at all, as long as it's kitchen salt. This salt you can get at your kitchen, is very easy. So measure out 20 gram and pour inside, right? For the work of this salt in this particular time that you're adding it is to dissolve Tezapon and sulfonic to make all the granules to kind of melt, right? For it to come to a paste form, right? That is the reason why we are adding salt at this particular time. So you see that it took me time. So if you don't want it to take you this time, at that particular time you're adding your sulfonic acid and the Tezapon, add the salt immediately, right? So this particular water, we'll be adding it little by little. We use this 1 liter of water that we got here to dissolve it very well, right? Well, I'll be adding it little by little. If you watch this video up to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe to this channel. It's a way of encouraging me to do more videos for you. So can you see that it took me a whole lot of time to dissolve it? So what I did was to be adding the water little by little, and as you can see, the Tezapon and the sulfonic acid has combined together to a paste, right? So I will mix and also add my the water, the 1 liter that I used to dissolve it. Now is 2 liter, the one I used to dissolve my SLS, and this particular one now. So everything making it 2 liters, right? So just watch what I do and do exactly what you see me doing, and you are going to get a massive result, right? A very beautiful result, just like my own came out well, right? So at this particular time, I've gotten another 1 liter of water. I'm going to put it inside there, right? So this now is 3 liter, right? This particular one now will make it 3 liter plus the one I used to dissolve my SLS, and also I'm going to still turn it, right? So go ahead and pour in your SLS. Do you see it? So I'm going to pour it inside and turn everything together. So after turning it, I'm still going to add salt. So this is salt. This salt will act as a thickener, right? The measurement will be on the screen, so I'm going to add it little by little and then check the consistency, right? So the work of this salt is to thicken it. If you have sulfate, you can as well put sulfate, but what I use for this production is salt. So you turn it very well and set it aside for 24 hours, and after 24 hours, this is exactly how it will look. So at this particular time, this is the time you add your glycerin. This is time you add your preservative if you're working with preservative. This time you also add your fragrance. Make sure if you're adding fragrance, let it be fruity fragrance, lemon, tangerine, strawberry, anyone at all that you want to use, right? So you add your color, water soluble color, not oil soluble color, right? So this is the time you add everything, and then your package for sale, right? So the measurement will be on the screen. And thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Then you can now package it and you are up for selling, right? So should in case you don't like the consistency how it is, if you want it to be more thick, you can as well add salt to it, right? You dissolve little salt in the water and just add it little to thicken it to the point that you want, right? To the consistency that you want, right? But for this particular one, this is how I want it. So what I'm going to do now is to package it, and it's up for selling, or even if you want to use it for souvenir or anything at all. So this particular liquid soap is good for your for washing clothes, for dishwashing, anything at all. You can use it for it. This sulfonic acid in this production helps your soap to clean dirt, especially oil dirt. So it's it's 100% good for dishwashing and also for washing of your clothes. See you in my next video. Thank you for subscribing. Bye. I hope you are starting business with this simple recipe.